So that same progression that we're talking about, 1, 5, 6, 4, now in the key of E. So if we start the E, so here's E in root position. Let's find the E in second inversion. Here's first inversion, and here's second inversion. So right hand, E in second inversion. 5 in the key of the E is B. So our thumb is already on B. And to find a B major, we'll be in root position. And then we go to C sharp minor in root position. Everything goes up. And then A in first inversion, the top note moves up to A, and the other two notes are already part of A. So that's A in first inversion. So from the C sharp, make sure you're on C sharp minor. Top note moves up to A, and that makes it an A in first inversion. So from the beginning there of the chord of the first note, first line, the intro, the chord in the right hand be E in second inversion, and then we're going to go to B in root position, C sharp in root position, A major in first inversion. And that's what you're going to do on the right hand. For the left hand, that intro, we're going to play the notes that are written in. So let's try that slowly together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Prepare to turn to finger 3. So if you want to take your pencils, I'll give you some, I'll tell you what to do there with the fingering one more time. So we're going to start with the pinky, then finger 4, 3, and 1. In the middle of the second measure, we're going to take finger 3 and cross over to C sharp. Finger 3 on C sharp, finger 2 on D sharp. And in the third measure, D sharp, E with the thumb, A with the pinky, and then D sharp, E, and then stretch back down to E with the pinky. So I'm going to give you a few minutes, and what we want to try to accomplish is the following. First, just chords on the beat, like on the first beat of every measure, while the left hand plays that line, like so. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then the second step will be to play the right hand chunking on every beat. Broken chord on every eighth note. That one's going to take a little bit more doing. So I'm going to give you a couple of minutes there to go step by step.